Nik Wallenda's tightrope walk across Niagara Falls on June 15th, 2012 captivated the attention and the imagination of the world.
We made history 10 years ago. No one has ever in the history of Niagara Falls walked across the Canadian Horseshoe Falls.
Walking a wire is what I love, it's what I do. The winds were definitely unpredictable. We knew they were going to be. The mist was very heavy, at times so strong in my face because of that whirlwind sort of atmosphere out in the middle. It was blinding. When I got to the other side, I would say, to be honest with you, it was almost a letdown. I know that sounds crazy, but I spent years and a lifetime dreaming this. And after 18 minutes, I think it was done.
We had the unveiling of the fabulous statue of Nik Wallenda commemorating the 10-year anniversary of his walk.
It's such a huge honor. It's where my dream came true, and to be honored with something like this, it's surreal.
We created the biggest event on the planet in front of the most beautiful sights on the planet that day, and hopefully they'll be celebrating this for generations to come.
We're a world-class destination. We have that very special address. We have something that nobody else has in the entire world. And when we have something like that, I think we have to embrace it, remember it.
I hope it inspires others to face their greatest challenges.
I would encourage people to learn more about it, to come to have the picture, to recognize what a significant event this was in the history of Niagara Falls.